New. In this video, we're gonna get straight to it. We are going over price action and market structure. So let's get straight to it. What is price action? Price action is basically price creating a trend, either an uptrend or a downtrend. The market is going up, it's coming down, going up, going down, going up. Price is basically tapping off of its previous zones. For example, where do you think price may come back and touch? This zone, which lines up with this, what we call a swing high. And then it will continue to go up. This is an example right here of a uptrend. We'll go ahead and type over here. This is a uptrend. Vice versa, it would be a downtrend if you have price come down, selling off, taps the support, comes back up, goes down, breaks the support, taps another support, comes up, creates a lower high, then creates a lower low. Price is always going to be moving up and down. You will never see price doing this forever, or you will never see price coming down forever. It'll always go up and down, creating structure and respecting zones that have been respected before. So these circles are basically zones that have been tested before. And this is how you will be able to take trades off of these uptrends and these downtrends. Now there's more to it. Trading is all about having as much points as possible. Like I love to say, if you're in a basketball game, the more points you have, you win. Same thing with trading. The more confluences you have, the more things that you have in your bag. For higher highs, HL for higher lows. Over here, we have the low. When it comes up, we create a higher high. Now price pulls back, comes in, pulls back. We now have a higher low because this low is higher than this low. And this is where price started moving up. Up here, we'll just copy and paste them. We have another higher high, copy, paste. Up here we have another higher high. Then we have the high, it's another higher high. Over here, you put higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And then this is going to be a uptrend. This is a bullish market. You would basically take entries on the pullback of the higher low in confluence with support and resistance zones. For instance, you see price make a structure here, boom, make structure here, boom. Once you've seen this break right here, you would know that price will may come back and retest this to make a higher low. You will put your entry here. Stops would be at the next low. 1 to 1 would be a higher high. 1 to 2 would be a new high. You would take the trade like that for buys. For sells, it's going to be the opposite. I'm pretty sure you guys get the idea now. Up here we have a high. We have the high. Then we have a lower low. We have a lower low here. Then we have a lower high. LH, let's copy that, paste that. Put that there. Copy that, paste that. Put that down here. Low, lower high. Then we have another lower low right here. Boom. On sells, on the other side of the spectrum, you will basically go sell off, retest, buy, come and break down below, retest. You will take entries here, confluence with this resistance. Take profit 1 will be 1 to 1. Stop loss will be the swing high or above the lower high. Take profit will be down to the next possible lower low, which will probably be in confluence with this area here. If price was actually making this mountain pattern, this head and shoulder type of pattern. This is the basics of price action. Price is gonna always go high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? Now, for example, if we move to the side, let's just say price is selling. You see it's gonna pull back, thinking it's gonna make another high, lower high. Price continues to push past this high and then retest. This is what you call a imbalance, where price is now breaking structure. And you can see that this high has been broken, this high has been broken. This is the new swing point. So we will take a line, we'll put the line here. Boom, we would know now that if price is to pull back here, what do? Put your buys there, stop loss would be there, And then you will go ahead and basically take the entries and scale up off the breakup structure. So I see price moving. Price finally broke below this support and it came back in a retest. So that is one sign of bearish structure. Now we don't want to get in yet because we don't want to get faked out. So we're going to continue to move. I want to see these lows here now get broken to continue the downtrend. It just got broken. What I would do is I would basically, if I was actually trading, I would grab my fib from the swing high, which would be this high, to the swing low. Let's actually bar replay this. I'll grab it from this swing high to this swing low, where price is starting to pull back from. I would take entries here because market is showing me that we broke this support. Now we're in the downtrend. We're in the seller zone. But we have sellers support. The sellers is like, it's like the cheerleaders for the basketball team. I'm saying the cheerleaders pull up, they're showing you the support. If the other team shooting the free throw, they making hella noise. I'm saying trying to distract them. You have that extra support so you could win the game. If I take sells here, I would expect price to continue to go down and follow that bearish structure, which it does. TP is hit. We have price basically. This is a swing point as well. This is a good swing point because this is where price starts to sell as well. We want to see a break at least this high, but definitely this high for buys. Boom, there it goes. It broke the higher high. The highest high there was. Now it is back inside of this zone, this box zone. I wanted to push up at least 50% to be honest before it pulls back. It started to pull back already. There it is. This is about 50% of that zone. I would take my fib from this swing point, this swing low, to the higher high, which is right here. Then I wanted to create a higher low. And the higher low will be lined up basically with this zone here, which is the same entry that I got last time, which is kind of funny. I will want to take buys here and just watch price and market respect structure. Sometimes it might leave you, which it did. I can see that it broke all of these swing points. It broke this swing point, broke this swing point, created bullish. Now it is out of the seller zone. You guys don't have cheerleaders no more. You feel me? I gotta play ball as if y'all away on the away team. Price is not bullish. You know what I'm saying? Price is going up. It's creating that bullish structure. That is it for my bar replay. What do you think price is gonna do after here? I told you guys, boom, up, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, gonna pull back, create another lower high, and continue to go up. So if you guys learned something from this video, go ahead and like the video. Comment down below with any questions, or if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and drop some support in the chat. I appreciate you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys appreciated the video itself. Peace out. Love. Hope y'all become profitable. Hope y'all learned something new today. Let's get it.